Hello, my friends, and welcome to coding exercise number 2. Write a program that gets from the user the radius and print the area and perimeter of this circle. I want from you to pause the video and think about how to solve such a program. I hope you solve it correctly. Now let's see the solution. In order to get data from the user, we use the scanner. So scanner S1 Alt plus enter to import the package of the scanner. And here we have imported java.util.scanner equal to new scanner system.in. I told you to memorize this well in order to get data from and input from the user. Okay. Now, I should print for the user a message telling him that I need a radius. Please enter a radius. S1 or a radius r int r radius equal to S1 dot next int. So we need to get integers. Okay. Now I want to display the perimeter. So perimeter int p or float equal to peri equal to pi 2 times pi, which is 3.14 times radius. Okay, and I need to display the area. So area equal to pi, which is 3.14 times radius times radius again. This is radius square. Okay, I'm casting them to float. Okay, and this is the float. And here, cast to float. Yes, I cast them to float. Okay, this is the radius and this is the radius square. Now I can display like this: system.out.print ln the area is equal to plus area and perimeter is equal to perimeter object peri. Okay, or perimeter variable. Let's run and see. Again, I need to run with coverage. So here, enter the radius. I will enter 2, click enter. The area is 12.56 and the perimeter is 2.56. Let me run again with coverage. Entering the radius 5. The area is 78.5 and the perimeter is 31.4. Okay, so successfully you did it. We have created this program that calculates the perimeter and the area for a given radius. One note I should mention before we end: I can use math dot, and here we use pi. Okay, so pi. This is from a class called math. If I go up, this is included inside the Java. I can use it. Math dot I access pi pi. So if I run the program again with the coverage, I can enter the radius 5. It will calculate for me the area with more and more decimals. Okay, because pi is equal to 3.14, 15, 92, 65, 35, and so on. Okay, This is how we use the math.py, which is pi, and you can use other things like absolute value, sine, cosine, tangent, exponential, power, and so on, log, max, minimum, and so on. Okay.